That's
doesn't
for
make
tourists.
sense.
There is no.
Yes, for tourists.
I stay sometime here. I see whole day. 1, 2 people come just for curiosity. Come on.
Yeah, no, there's no tourists.
So,
Lights in New York City and the police department.
what kind?
Manufactures to all the other knockoff stores. So he's got a huge business.
So this is one of those like random gift shops that like people that tourists go to buy T-shirts.
Well, he's the higher end, right? He's the highest end of all of them. So this is not even a nice store. He's got a huge store on 7th and 41st. You know, doing ridiculous numbers, of course, until not on.
Yeah, COVID killed a lot.
Great.
So this goes from here all the way back to Broadway. So there's an entrance on Broadway and an entrance on 6th Avenue. It's pretty interesting. This is the 6th Avenue entrance. It's about...
You're going to divide it.
Yeah.
You're going to divide it.
It's possible to divide it if they're open.
This way. So one store is this side and one store is on the other. We're not dividing it this way.
Okay. So this is around 3 p.m. on a Tuesday. And this is the amount of foot traffic you have on this block. You can see the busy nature of it all. Look at how busy it is. Look at all the people. Maybe there's some people over here. You have a disabled older gentleman waiting to get on the bus. And,
It's a great pen, man.
oh, thank you. It's a pen. Is the super gonna let us in, or?
No, we can't get in today. I just want to show you the outside.
Okay.
Because I called him before. They're closed today, so he's not going to open the store.
Okay, so this is what it looks like on the
Let me
inside.
check with him. Maybe I don't think he is.
All right. So they list this as 3,000 square feet, and I'm not sure if my laser tool is going to work through the window. I'm thinking what I could do is try to measure to that back wall or the exit sign and see if I can get a precise square footage. I'm going to try to do that right now. I don't know how lucky I will be. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Bosch. Making a star return appearance from its 2019 season of Rossman Realty. Okay, so it ends over here. So fuck it, I'll give him a benefit of the doubt and I'll give him an extra foot over here. See how nice I am? I'll measure to this because I don't have something to measure to. So I'm gonna start over here and I will measure to that little yellow shit. Oh, no problem. No, only if they have it.
No problem. So they're open tomorrow. You can come take a look tomorrow.
Oh, cool.
You can just walk in.
Yeah, that's trying to get an idea of size.
How you doing? How's your family? All right? Everybody okay? Very good, huh?
24 there.
Hello, Frankie. Hello. I can't hear you. What
Yeah, there's no way to measure through the window here.
happened?
That's unfortunate.
They're downstairs in the basement. Yeah, the corridor.
I gotta get inside to make a proper measurement.
2 letters. Okay. They come here 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
Okay, so they're open tomorrow. You want to
Yeah, now it's the business.
Yes, this
That's for
doesn't make
tourists.
sense.
There is no.
There's no tourists.
I stay sometime here. I see whole day. 1, 2 people come just for curiosity. Come on.
Yeah, no, there's no tourists. All right, so nice to meet you.
Okay.
Okay? But this is Koreatown, and then you have Nomad. You know, Nomad's very hot right now. That's north of Madison Square Garden,
Yeah.
Madison Square Park. So this whole corridor has become very desirable, not just in commercial, but in hospitality and tourism and residential. But really, you're in you know where you are.
All right, so here's what I find interesting, and you guys tell me what you think. So the whole concept of this space, when I called and I was asking, what makes this worth $75,000? Because what you see here, this space, which by the way, is they claim 3,000 square feet. It's more likely going to be around 2,700. So this is, let's be real here. This is probably the size of my current store. They're claiming like all the high foot traffic and all the business you're going to get, and like this is, but what you may have heard from the super there, which he probably shouldn't have said, is that we only have 1 or 2 people walking in a day to this location, which is why it's not even open. So they're looking to dump the location. There's no business at the location. The foot traffic on the street in front of the location is crap, and it's $75K. Now they said maybe we could split it down the middle for you and give you 1,500 square feet, which is actually going to come out to 1,200 if you know New York City real estate. And that is then going to cost me $37,500 instead of $75,000 a month. Like I really don't get it. I don't get it. I wish I got it. I don't get it. How do you pay $75,000 a month selling mugs and shot glasses and t-shirts? It's crazy. But here's the thing that I find the most interesting of all, and you guys tell me what you think in the comments down below. The prices don't seem to have gone down or stayed the same. They actually appear to have gone up. You can look at the stuff that I was looking at in that other real estate series that I did last year, where I'm showing you the costs of the stores that I'm going through, and they were actually cheaper than these right now. So it seems that after coronavirus, after 500,000 people, most of them in the more wealthy echelon, leave the city, after the protest, after the riots, after a lot of places go out of business, after the economic recession, the prices for Manhattan real estate to lease have gone up like that way, which is, that's hysterical.